So it's raining in Idiotville, so I can't go outside and do any furniture stripping, which is fine because I'm supposed to be remodeling a bathroom, as you can see. So for anyone that's considering doing this no box thin LED lighting, there's a product from Home Depot produced by Halo, and so there's this bracket. You put it on. I couldn't figure out which way it was supposed to go, but actually it fits exactly that notch. There's these bumps that go onto the bumps on the box, and then that'll give you your adjustable wings to hook onto, and then you get teeny tiny screws. They are, let's see if I can grab them looking through the camera. They are Phillips, so you will want a fine point Phillips screwdriver. And so you set this box, and then you connect the light later through the hole. Okay, so here's what's going on. 2 lights from Home Depot, commercial electric. It's their less expensive line right there, and then doing 2 of the nicer Halo lights. This is the fancy new LED. It doesn't need a can or anything. So it gets the power source. It just screws together here and it unplugs. So you bury this in the ceiling, you cut a hole, and then you fish the line out, and then you plug the light into it, and it snaps onto your drywall. This has the clips, or the speed connectors, as does the Halo. What the Halo features is if you have a slotted screwdriver, take that guy right there, and then what you do is you pry open this little black door. This one's open. You put in your cable right there, your house wire, once it's stripped, and then that acts as a clamp, and you can enclose your connection like that. Okay, so here's a quick video of the box installed. You want to be within 12 inches with your staple. So this is actually the original staple. There's a wire going to the previous light. It's going into the clamp that I popped open the hatch on. This one's still closed. These are super easy. You just shove the end of your lights, or not the light, but the 3 wires. You go ground with the bare copper, and then black into black, white into white. All that just gets zipped together, and then this door snaps, and you're done. And so this is a screw. It's a Craig screw, a little one, and I wanted to use something with a little washer head, so I did that. But then I felt that if this ever slid down, I'll just put a couple of extra screws here. And then this is the color control, so I wanted to leave that face down, which is why I hung it that way. And then this is the plug tail.